Hi guys, John here with Sandblastingmachines.com. Today I want to talk to you about the 1-inch abrasive trap that's found on Clemco blast systems with either 1-inch piping or 1 1/4 piping. The purpose of the abrasive trap is to collect any of the abrasive that may become airborne within the pot. What will happen is when you are on the exhaust cycle, or if you let go of the dead man and your pot's depressurizing, abrasive is going to tend to want to push out the exhaust side. This could have detrimental effects on your outlet valve. The abrasive trap is designed with a screen inside to catch any of that material pushing through before it gets to the outlet valve and chews it up. Clemco recommends that you check this abrasive trap twice daily. What you'd want to do is open it up from the top, and you'll see inside there a cone-shaped screen. If any material is in that cone-shaped screen, that means it's time to clean your trap. That screen can tend to get all the way filled up, and it's just going to allow abrasive to push right through and again chew up your outlet valve. So that's what we're trying to avoid here. The Clemco 1-inch abrasive trap can be found on sandblastingmachines.com by searching for part number 02011 in the search bar. I'm John with sandblastingmachines.com. Thanks for watching.